Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. When it comes to protecting the interior of your truck, there are a lot of things to think about. What do I need? How do I get the best protection? Are these protection products easily cleaned? To answer all those questions, there is one brand that has taken all the worry out of the equation. The brand WeatherTech has taken all those questions and put them to work in their various protection products. Everything from the most popular floor liners to seat covers, WeatherTech has your interior covered. The most popular protection product that will get used every time you set foot in your truck is going to be the floor liners. The WeatherTech floor liners are laser measured to a perfect fitment. The raised edges allow for extra coverage when it comes to those times where getting dirty is the only option. These liners also feature channels that will keep most of the water, dirt, or snow from moving around while driving, keeping your interior clean the whole time. The flexible material that these covers are made out of makes them excellent to work with in some of the most extreme temperatures. Installation and cleanup are going to be a breeze since these liners will use the factory mounting tabs. Also, with the anti-skid nibs on the bottom of the liners, they are going to stay put in place with the additional surface friction, keeping them from sliding around under your feet. But let's say you have little ones that like to make a mess on your nice new seats. Not to worry, WeatherTech will have your seats covered with their seat protectors. The extra layer of protection is great for handling those family road trips and keeping your interior clean. The twill fabric that these are constructed out of offer a durable water repellent finish that will combat any fluid spills or crumbs. Installing these covers is easily done with the easy to use straps holding the covers in place while you still have access to the necessary components such as the buckles and tie downs. These covers also give you full range of use with the reclining seats, allowing you to keep your interior protected while staying comfortable. There you have it, guys. For more WeatherTech options for your Silverado or Sierra, visit our website today and take a look at the different styles available. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.